Windows are integral to the beauty, functionality, and comfort of your home. However, over time, windows can experience wear and tear, leading to issues that might affect your home's energy efficiency, security, and aesthetics. Homeowners in Fayetteville, North Carolina, are not immune to these problems, especially given the region's varying weather conditions. Here, we'll explore some of the most common window problems you might face in Fayetteville homes and how to fix them. Drafty windows. Drafty windows are a common problem, especially during the cold winter months or the scorching heat of summer. In Fayetteville, the fluctuation between hot summers and cool winters can cause windows to lose their insulation abilities. This leads to a significant loss of energy, making your HVAC system work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. How to fix it? Check the seals. The most likely cause of drafts is compromised window seals. Inspect the weather stripping or caulk around your windows to see if it's cracked or missing. If it is, you can easily replace it with new weather stripping or caulk to prevent air leaks. Install draft stoppers. If the problem persists, draft stoppers, which can be placed along the bottom of windows, are an affordable and quick solution to keep drafts at bay. Upgrade insulation. In the long term, consider upgrading to double or triple glazed windows to significantly improve energy efficiency. Condensation between the panes. Condensation between the panes of a double or triple glazed window is not only unsightly but can also be a sign of a failing seal. When the seal is broken, moisture can accumulate between the panes, leading to mold growth and fogginess that impair your view. How to fix it? Window replacement. Unfortunately, there is no simple way to remove condensation between the panes. The best solution is often to replace the window entirely. A professional can remove the old window and install a new, energy-efficient model with a better seal. Temporary solutions. If replacement is not immediately possible, you can try removing the moisture by drilling small holes in the window frame and using a dehumidifier to draw out the moisture. However, this is usually only a temporary fix, and replacing the window is the permanent solution. Broken or sticking window locks. A functional lock is crucial for the security of your home, but over time, window locks can break, or the mechanisms can get stuck. This is especially common in older windows, which may have become rusty or jammed. In Fayetteville, humid conditions can also contribute to rusting, which worsens over time. How to fix it? Lubricate the mechanism. If your window locks are sticking, start by lubricating the lock mechanism with silicone spray. This can reduce friction and allow the lock to function smoothly. Replace broken locks. If the locks are damaged or broken, it's best to replace them. Window lock replacements are inexpensive and can be found at most hardware stores or online. Regular maintenance. For preventative maintenance, clean your window locks regularly to avoid buildup of dirt or rust. Consider applying a rust-inhibiting spray to prevent corrosion, especially in areas with high humidity. Cracked or broken glass. A cracked or broken window can be a serious concern, both for safety and energy efficiency. Whether it's due to an impact or simply the natural degradation of the glass over time, a broken window can leave your home vulnerable to the elements and intruders. How to fix it? Temporary solutions. If you notice a crack, use clear tape to cover it as a temporary fix. If the glass is broken, cover the window with a plastic sheet or plywood until repairs can be made. Window repair. Small cracks may be repairable by applying a special window repair kit, but larger cracks or completely shattered glass will require professional replacement. Consider upgrades. When replacing the window, consider upgrading to laminated or impact-resistant glass to improve security and durability. Window doesn't open or close properly. Over time, windows can become difficult to open or close, either because of swelling from humidity or the breakdown of the hardware. This problem is particularly noticeable in older wooden windows and can be frustrating when trying to enjoy fresh air. How to fix it? Check for obstructions. First, check to see if there is anything obstructing the window's movement, such as dirt, debris, or warped framing. Clean the tracks and lubricate the moving parts to ensure smooth operation. Repair or replace the window sash. If the window is sticking due to swollen wood or broken hardware, you may need to replace the window sash or repair the framework. In severe cases, consider replacing the window to restore its functionality. Conclusion. Maintaining your windows in Fayetteville is essential for both the comfort and safety of your home. Whether you're dealing with drafts, condensation, broken locks, cracked glass, or difficulty opening and closing your windows, these problems are fixable with the right tools and knowledge. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can keep your windows functioning properly and ensure that your home remains energy efficient and secure throughout the year. If you're unsure of how to tackle these problems yourself, don't hesitate to consult a local window professional who can help with repairs or replacements to keep your Fayetteville home in top shape.